In.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Cultivate wisdom. You don't need to accumulate knowledge to become wise. Anyone can become wise. When you become wise, you respect your body, you respect your mind, and you respect your soul. When you become wise, your life is controlled by your heart, not your head. Heart will never going to get you wrong, folks. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 36. NASDAQ up 17, S&P's down 3, gold contract down $6.60, trading at $1,220 an ounce. Silver down 9 cents, $16.16 an ounce. Platinum off $13.50 at $9.04 an ounce. Copper flat, $2.48 a pound. Light sweet crude down 46 cents, $45.97 a barrel. But that just can't catch a bid, folks. Gasoline can't catch a bid. Also, we'll be having the API numbers come out about 4:30. We're going to have the government numbers come out tomorrow morning at 10:30. Notes, the 10-year note down 4 ticks, 124.30. 30-year bond down 11 ticks, 150.31. Now, both notes and bonds, folks, bottom line is that they got that rejection. Had lighter volume all day. It was hanging down there. Bottom line, right when we come into the close, they totally rejected that lower price. King dollar up 504 ticks, 99.440. King dollars get into the gap right now. We'll see whether they can hold that gap. The euro is trading at 108 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 113.84 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? I'm going to pull up the futures first because this is pretty intense what's going on. And specifically what I mean is that the futures are not moving, folks, okay? The S&P futures are not moving. They're only down $3. You're at 23.92. Now, that being said, guess what? You get some of these stocks getting killed after the close out here. If we take a look at TripAdvisor closed at 46. Oh, actually, that's trading 46 right now. It was just trading down 3%, but it's trading 46. We'll see if that's correct. PCLN, Priceline closed at $1,911. That's trading at $1,854. Disney come out with numbers. They didn't make their numbers. Disney closed at 112. That's trading at 111. Yelp is the killer out here. This is a trip. Yelp closed at $34. That's trading $25. Big number. EA, that closed at this Electronic Arts, that closed at 96. That's up $7. That's at 104. FOSL, that baby closed at 18, that's trading 15. PETS, this baby closed at 32, that's still trading 32. So bottom line, you're going to have a lot of action out here coming into the next 15 minutes. So let's go over to the S&Ps. First, let's take a look at the SPY. What you have with the SPY is this. SPY got to a price point today of 240.19. The high of the test, which was on the 26th of April, got to 239.53. We had 84 million shares there. So the S&P, you get a failure in price, a failure in volume. This is subtle. Bottom line, though, you get a failure, and it's pretty amazing how this thing is going to looks like it's going to shake out. Specifically, what I mean is this, is that your high inside the SPY, March 1st, that's your benchmark. That high, $240.32, 149 million shares. It had tested it on the 26th of April with 84 million shares. You failed. Today we failed with 49 million. So bottom line, no buyers, slight sellers. Now we'll see if, in fact, there's not going to be any selling at all in the marketplace. Because this correlation would say now the S&P wants to try to run down to 237.70. The Dow Industrials, we take a look at the Dow. What you have with the Dow is this. Dow Industrials got to 21,046. That closed out at 20,970. That looks like it's going to make a run to 20,847. The NASDAQ Composite and the NDX 100 went to highs, closed at highs. The Composite up 17 bucks, 61.20. That has to get under 61.02. NDX 100, same type of setup in the NDX 100. NDX 100 got up to 56.91, closed at 56.78. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract caught a small bid coming into the close. Gold had traded down to 12.14. You're at 12.19 right now. Now, we had lighter volume, but the bottom line is where the danger is inside that gold contract right now is that you did get so deep into the March 15th level. We'll see whether it's going to get down to that 1,200. Right now, 12.21. No, it's okay. So we'll see where this shakes out in the next 15, 20 minutes. If it can get inside 12.21, then it's going to have a shot that we're going to get action tomorrow up until this 12.52 area, which would be pretty intense. Silver, we take a look at the silver. Silver hasn't been able to catch a bid. Coming into the close, however, we just did. We got to $16.15. Not that that's a huge amount. It's not. But anything inside that $16.10 at least gives it a shot that we may get a counter trend bounce here. Notes. The notes are what is saying that I suspect we're going to have some selling pressure inside this market tonight and tomorrow morning. And what it is this. The notes did 1 million contracts. We're going into 2 million contracts. So you didn't have sellers in them, number one. We got down to 124.29. We closed at 124. We got down to 124.24. We closed at 124.29. What we had to do is close over 124.23. And 124.28 would even be better. And guess what? We got 124.30. Big number. Notes, we take, that's the notes. King Dollar, what do we got with King Dollar? We take a look at King Dollar. This is what you have with King Dollar. King Dollar traded up 514.6, 99.440. The gap is 99.560. So we went to 565. I suspect we're going to try to get right into that level overnight and tomorrow morning. What we had coming into the close out here is that you start with some volatility. The yen, inside the yen went from a price point of 114.33 to 113.85. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. Stay right there, folks. We got a lot of numbers coming up. Dow Industrials finished down 36. NASDAQ was up 17. S&Ps are down $1.50. We're going to be right back.